Hi guys, look what is in my hand, Realme Watch 3, and I'm right now very much excited as I received it just right now. I don't want to waste a single moment, so let's open it first. Now look what is inside the box. This is papers, this is charger, and finally here it is. Oh my gosh, it's flamboyant. Just have a look as I ordered the white one. Although it is available in black color, but I think white is more glamorous than the black and black is most common. But if you guys really want to go for the black one, then you can definitely go for it. In the box, you can see this device has Bluetooth calling, 1.8-inch large display, and this is also very stylish and trendy. You can also count your heart rate and blood oxygen level, and it also track your health and fitness, as well as it also provides you 100 plus watch faces. Now look at here, Realme Watch 3, and the MRP is 4,999, and I bought this watch from Flipkart at 2,699 rupees. And just look, this is the manual, you can go for it, and this is the charger. Now look, this is the charger. This is not the wireless one, but you can charge it very easily. I will definitely show you how you can charge your device. Now look, Realme Watch 3 has classic look as well as it also provides a professional look, and it is suitable for each and everyone. And this is one of the best smartwatch within this budget, as I ordered it from Flipkart at 2,699 rupees. I already provided all the links in description section, Flipkart, Amazon, and the company website link too. And don't think all those are my affiliation link. I provided all those links just because of you, so that you can check best discount while purchasing. So don't forget to check all those links before purchase. Realme Watch 3 brings a squarish design, and its slightly curved edge adorns its overall beauty, and the metallic frame adds a classic look on it. It comes with 1.8-inch TFT LCD touchscreen display with 240x286 pixel resolution and 500 nit brightness. The right side of this watch has microphone and also primary button which controls power and also navigation function of these interfaces. And the left side of this watch has speaker for receiving the calls. And the bottom side of this device has contact point for charging and optical sensors for heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen level counting. Apart from that, the whole watch is saddled with thick bezels. Now let's open the screen guard first. It has detachable silicone straps which are more comfortable to use, and they are very soft. You can easily change your strap, and straps are quite available online. I'll definitely try to provide the link of this strap so that you can check it very easily. Straps are quite soft as I feel it, and you can see holes over here, and at the back side you can see all these are sensors, and these are the charging point. It's quite true that Realme Watch 3 offers plethora of features. This device uses Bluetooth 5.3 for connectivity, and you can easily connect this device with your smartphone. Let me show you how you can connect this device with your smartphone. Now let me start this device. Now you have to change the language, it's English. Then you have to scan the scan code. Let me connect with the mobile first. Now I have to open it. Continue, select India here, next, got it, then link device. Now you have to link your device. Now look, Now turn on the Bluetooth. Got it. Access. Now Realme Watch 3. And it's connecting now. And you have to pair it right now. Device paired. And it's already connected right now. Get started. Now look, you can also count your heart rate and blood oxygen level from this watch from both devices. This is my oximeter, and right now I am going to count my heart rate and blood oxygen level from both devices. Here it is shows that my heart rate is 78 and my blood oxygen level is 98. Now you can see here my heart rate is shown, it's 77, and here it is shows that it's 84. And if I check my oxygen level, let me check it first. Here you can see my oxygen level is 98%, and here it is also shows it's 99%. So I can easily say Realme Watch 3 can easily count your overall blood oxygen level and heart rate. You can also check your stress from this watch, like it shows it's 31 normal for me right now. And also you can set alarm very easily from here. You can go through this option. Apart from that, Realme Watch 3 provides 100 plus watch faces, and some of them you can change it from this watch, and rest of them you have to change it from its app. Now look how you can change your watch faces. You have to go to settings and then watch faces. Now you can easily select any of them. And this is IP68 rated devices for dust and water resistance, so I can easily say you that if it is washed away in rain, it will not affect your device. As well as the watch is very lightweight. I don't have any weight machine, but I can say you the weight of this watch is not more than 40 grams. Now let me talk about the pros and cons, because I believe we all should know the cons before purchasing any product. If I have to talk about the cons, then Realme Watch 3 count your overall heart rate and blood oxygen level, but it can be more accurate. And you can easily make call from it, but the dial pad is bit clunky as per my opinion. Apart from that, Realme Watch 3 provides plethora features, good apps, good connectivity, as well as this is one of the best smartwatch within this budget. Now guys, if you have any queries regarding this device, let me know. I'll definitely try to answer you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.